Welcome back to RV World, your go-to destination for all things RVs, campers, and adventure vehicles. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to explore the world of RV life, we've got you covered with the latest and greatest in mobile living. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our exciting journeys and deep dives into the world of travel and exploration. Today, we're introducing a game-changing vehicle for solo travelers and adventurers, the 2026 Wander Camper Tricycle. This innovative vehicle is designed to be a perfect blend of a motorcycle and a camper, offering the freedom of the open road while providing the comforts of a mobile home. Let's dive into what makes this tricycle the ultimate choice for anyone looking to explore the world on their own terms. At first glance, the 2026 Wander Camper Tricycle immediately catches your eye with its unique design. It combines the nimbleness and agility of a motorcycle with the spaciousness and practicality of a compact camper. The front features a large all-terrain tire that gives it a rugged, adventurous look, while the rear has an extended cargo pod that transforms into a functional living space. It's the kind of vehicle that looks built for adventure, and it certainly delivers on that promise. The most striking feature of the Wander is how it balances mobility with comfort. While many campers are large and bulky, making them difficult to navigate in tight spaces or on winding roads, the Wander offers a much more compact footprint. It's small enough to maneuver through forests, narrow trails, and even urban streets, yet it's still powerful enough to handle rough off-road terrains. Whether you're exploring remote mountain paths or cruising along coastal roads, the Wander Camper Tricycle makes it possible to travel light without sacrificing the essential comforts of home. Speaking of comfort, the interior of the Wander is cleverly designed to maximize space while keeping things simple. The rear cargo module folds out to reveal a compact but cozy living space, featuring a fold-out bed, a kitchenette, and plenty of storage for your gear. Despite its small size, the layout feels surprisingly spacious, thanks to smart design elements like collapsible furniture and a roof that extends to give you standing room when you need it. Whether you're cooking a meal on the go, getting a good night's sleep under the stars, or simply relaxing in your mobile home, the Wander has you covered. One of the key aspects of the Wander that makes it stand out in the world of campers is its self-sustainability. The vehicle is equipped with high-efficiency solar panels on the roof, allowing you to charge electronics, power lights, and even run small appliances without needing to plug into a power source. Additionally, the tricycle features regenerative braking that helps recharge the battery while you're on the move, ensuring that you can stay off-grid for extended periods. With an auxiliary battery system, the Wander can run for days without needing to stop for a recharge, making it the perfect vehicle for remote exploration and long trips into the wilderness. The 2026 Wander is powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain that provides both power and efficiency. The electric motor offers smooth, quiet acceleration, making it ideal for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Riders can switch between several drive modes to suit different environments, such as Eco mode for energy efficiency or Trail mode for enhanced traction on dirt roads. The vehicle's adjustable air suspension also ensures a smooth ride, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating rocky, uneven trails. For those who love off-roading, the Wander is equipped with all-terrain tires and a reinforced chassis, making it capable of tackling a wide range of environments. The vehicle's low center of gravity and stability control systems also ensure that you'll remain steady and safe, even on the most challenging trails. If you encounter steep inclines or sharp descents, the Wander's Hill Descent Assist feature provides added peace of mind, helping you maintain control and navigate tricky terrain with ease. Customization is another area where the Wander excels. There are multiple adventure packages available, each designed to cater to different travel styles. The Explorer Kit adds extra storage compartments and rugged suspension upgrades for tackling the toughest terrains, while the Urban Nomad Pack is perfect for those who plan to spend more time in cities or small towns. The Wilderness Edition includes all-weather tires, additional water storage, and a satellite communication system, ideal for those who plan to go truly off-grid and need a reliable way to stay connected. But the Wander isn't just a vehicle, it's part of a growing community of like-minded adventurers. Owners are joining together in online forums and real-world meetups, swapping stories, sharing travel tips, and showing off their custom modifications. It's more than just about the vehicle itself, it's about creating a lifestyle, a lifestyle where freedom, exploration, and adventure are at the core. In terms of safety, the 2026 Wander Camper Tricycle doesn't compromise. It's built with a reinforced roll cage and features advanced safety systems like predictive collision avoidance, electronic stability control, and anti-lock braking. You can drive confidently knowing that the Wander has been designed to keep you protected in a variety of driving conditions. As we wrap up today's look at the 2026 Wander Camper Tricycle, it's clear that this vehicle is a game changer for anyone looking to explore the world in a completely new way. It combines adventure, sustainability, and comfort in one compact, highly functional package. Whether you're heading out on a weekend getaway or planning an epic cross-country adventure, the Wander gives you the freedom to roam without limits. If you enjoyed today's review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things RV, camping, and adventure vehicles. Join the RV World family and be part of the journey as we continue to explore the world of travel, one vehicle at a time. Until next time, happy travels, and stay adventurous.